In this tutorial, I will show you 20 Canva tips that will save you lots of time and help you design faster, starting with shortcuts. Let's talk about text shortcuts. First on the list is to add a text. To add a text to your design, all you have to do is click the letter T on your keyboard and the text box will pop up, just like we have done right here. Next, to make your text bold, all you have to do is select the text and click Ctrl B or Command B, and you can see that our text is now made bold. And if you want to make your text italic, all you have to do, let's take this back, is to click on the text and then select on your keyboard Ctrl I. So you can either use the Control key or the Command key, depends on what is available. Next on the list are element shortcuts. To add a line to your design, all you have to do is click the letter L and you can see a line will be added to your design. To add a rectangle shape, all you have to do is click the letter R and you can see that a shape is being added. To take this further, you can come onto shapes and then change the shape to any shape of your choice. Let's delete this. To add a circle shape, all you have to do, click the letter C and you can see the circle shape will come up. You can choose to do anything to it, maybe change the colors or any other thing you want to do. Next are design shortcuts. These shortcuts will help you design faster and they just save you a lot of time. They are also very easy to remember. First, if you want to group text or element, say for example, you don't want to have to move this one after the other and you just want to move all of them at once, what you can do is to group them. So select all of them and then what you want to do is select Ctrl G on your keyboard and you can see that everything has now been grouped together. So let's ungroup this. And if you have an element or a text you want to duplicate, all you have to do, select it and click Ctrl or Command D. And you can see it is being duplicated. This also applies to pages. Say for example, let's change this to thumbnail view and we want to duplicate this page. Just click Ctrl D and you can see that the page has been duplicated. Next thing is to select multiple objects. What you can do, instead of selecting, all of this together, say you want to move everything or you want to move just two elements here, you don't want to move all of the three and you want to move just two, what you have to do is select it and click the shift key on your keyboard. So shift, select, shift again, click on it like this and you can see that just the elements that I clicked on are being selected. The next on the list is to select all. Say you want to select all of the elements and not just some of it, all you have to do is click Ctrl or Command A and you can see that everything is being selected. If you want to copy and paste, all you have to do is select what you want to copy, then click Ctrl C, that's to copy, and to paste it, click Ctrl V and you can see that it has been pasted. So you can either click the Control key or Command, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. This is very basic and also applies even outside designs. If you want to add a link to your text, say you wanted that when people click on it, you want it to take them to a website, a landing page, wherever, what you have to do is click the text like this. So I want to hyperlink just this, then click Control or Command K and you can see that you can now insert a link. So let's insert this link here. What this does is When people now click on it, it will lead them to the website that you put there. So say for example, you are creating a portfolio and you want to add clickable links. All you have to do is select the text and then click Ctrl K. And you can see that this is a clickable link. Next are design tips. Now let's see some of the design tips that can help you design faster. If you want to zoom in and out of a design without having to come on here to do this, all you have to do is click Control or Command and the plus key or the minus key on your keyboard, just like this. Next on the list is element positioning. Say we have this text here and we want to centralize the text, but we do not know where the center is, or we are pretty confused on where it is. All you have to do, come to position, and then you see where it says align to page. Just come on here and click center, and you can see that it has centralized the text. You can make it top, bottom, right, middle, center, and you can see that it has centralized everything. So you can also do this by moving it like this till you see where this line fits. Now the same thing applies with element. Let's scatter this element for a bit and then look for a way to align them. Say for example, you have them like this and you want to space it, but you don't know how to do it. All you have to do is select all together and then come to positions, come to space evenly, and you can choose to tidy up or space vertically. All depends on what you're trying to achieve. Say for example, it is like this and I'm trying to get the spacing across each other. At times you can see that this one is not well spaced. Just select everything by clicking Control and selecting each of them. Come on here, click tidy up. You can see that it has helped us space it evenly. At times you are searching for a picture or an element and you want specific colors. Let me show you how you can filter the search to show you those specific colors. Come to your element, let's take this out, and say we are searching for a bag. What you have to do is come on here, click on it. Let's say we want our search results to be in the color pink. You want everything it shows us to be in the color pink. Click the color and you can see that the options available are only in pink color. So let's do this for lemon. You can see it shows us only results with lemon color. Now moving on to the next one. This is search by pro and free elements. Say you're using Canva free version and you're searching for things you do not want it to show you pro element or pro photos. All you can do, come on here. Now still using this, come to filter and then search. Click either free or pro. So for this I'll click free. And you can see that it has now given me lemon options with free results, meaning I do not need Canva Pro for these options. Let's try it again. Let's say color blue. You can see blue color and free results. To clear it, just come on here and click clear all. Another thing you can do is search by cutout. Say I'm searching for a picture of a happy woman and I want it to show me results without the background. All I have to do, come on here and then click cutout only. And you can see that it is showing me results without the background. I can further narrow my search to say, okay, free options without the background. This is limited, but you can see that there are options here without the background and they are free options. The next one is add to favorite. Say for example, there is this element or photo you just randomly see and you want to use it later. All you have to do is click on the element. So let's use this as an example. Click on it and then click star, or you can click to add to folder. So let's click star. Once you start it, this is how you can access it. Go to your project and you can see that under your project there is start. Just come on here, click start, and to show you a list of all of the things you have starred or saved. That way you can use them in your designs later on. If you see a template you really like, or there's something particular you like in a template and you want to copy it and take it to another template, all you have to do is copy that thing you see, Ctrl C, and then Ctrl V it to paste it into the template you want to use it. Very easy. Next one is to copy and paste style. Say for example, you want to copy this color in this design to a design. All you have to do, click on it, and then this paintbrush, click it, go to your design and drop it. You can see that it has copied the color and pasted it to the design of my choice. And that is basically all 20 of it. Very easy to use, and they will save you a whole lot of time. These tips and these shortcuts will help you design way faster. Let me know your thoughts on this. Will you be trying this out? Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video. Toodles!